So, hello class. Now take out your English reader book. So, class, today we will do Unit-5 Go Green. Right? So, you can see there are some questions and you have to choose your correct option. ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ये आपको खुद से ही चूज़ करने कि आप स्कूल कैसे जाते हैं, तो आप जैसे भी जाते हैं राइट टिक कर दीजिएगा। इसके अलावा आप शावर कैसे लेते हैं, शावर आप जैसे भी लेते हैं, तो ये जो भी ऑप्शन है इस पर टिक कर दीजिएगा। देन आफ्टर थर्ड वन, डू यू टर्न ऑफ लाइट्स टीवी एंड कंप्यूटर व्हेन यू लीव द रूम। सो आपको हमेशा ही करना चाहिए। मैं हमेशा ही ऑफ करती हूँ, इसलिए मैंने ऑलवेज लगाया है। राइट नाउ सी हियर, when you go for shopping, so what you do, I always carry my own jute या cloth bag, and आपको भी ऐसा ही करना चाहिए। what do you do with your use things, आप use things को कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं, नीडी पीपल को भी दे सकते हैं और रिसाइकल होने के लिए भी दे सकते हैं। ओके, सो नाउ टुडे वी विल डू all question answers and exercises of this chapter. It's getting hotter. Come on page number 114, A3 exercise. Tick the correct option and complete the given statement. So these are the statements, you have to choose the correct option. The answers are here also mentioned, so please pause the video and write it down. नाउ फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट। आपको ये जो आंसर्स हैं आपके टेक्स्ट से फाइंड आउट करने हैं, है ना। जैसे कि क्या लिखा हुआ है, द गैस दैट कीप्स द अर्थ वार्म, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है वो अर्थ को वार्म रखती है। द प्लेस दैट विल कम ड्रायर ड्यू टू ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट, ग्रीन प्लेन्स ऑफ अमेरिका। ओके, नाउ कम हेयर, these are melting in the Arctic and the Antarctica, so glaciers. Energy hungry lifestyle consumers it in large amounts, so fossil fuels. It will overflow and enter the land, oceans. Okay, so these are the answers. So now you can see the questions and we will write answers of these questions. Okay, now A5 answer 1 is the melting of ice from the poles due to global warming will start filling up the ocean and make them overflow onto land. Answer second is a conference was held at Kyoto to fight against climate change. No, it was not fruitful. Now third answer is global warming is caused by increased concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning of fossil fuels, deforestation and use of electronic gadgets. Now fourth answer is the poor will suffer the most due to lack of financial security to make arrangements for food, clothes and shelter during disaster and calamities. Now come on A6 exercise. Find words from the text which are similar in the meaning. आपको सिनोनियम लिखना है। So effect का क्या हो सकता है, impact, very strong and sudden, violent, meeting, conference, to consume quickly in large amount, so guzzle, and living place of animals or plants, habitat, a struggle, fight. Now we will do A7 and A8 exercise, life skills and value based questions. So please read the questions and now we will write the answers. So answer 7 life skills is, देखिए, a list of measures suggested by the class fellows by using cloth and jute bags, by turning off computer when not in use, by turning off the lights, by not burning fossil fuels, by walking instead of driving car for short distance. Now A8 value based answer. I would familiarize him with the sufferings of the poor people due to lack of proper arrangement of water and electricity. Second one is, also I would make him aware of the fact that lack of access of electricity is leading to the problem of illiteracy. Now come on, next page, A9. Please read the question of A9. Okay. Now the answer of A9 is, I express my gratitude to all the children for taking positive steps to fight against climate change. Saving one's life is a great task. Thank you again for saving the habitats of penguins. It's a really appreciable job. Now here are some slogans. Okay, you can read it, and then after you have to write a short paragraph on our environment. So please pause the video and write it down. Our environment is our basic life support system, but we have modified it according to our needs. This modification has led to pollution, global warming, and natural disasters. Now we should put our best feet forward to save our Mother Earth. We should plant more and more trees. Thank you.